Weight loss protein at home. Protein powder formula. Protein shake plans. Natively constructed weight reduction protein powder with nitty-gritty photograph and video formula. A remarkable and fundamental protein-based formula settled on with a decision of dry products of the soil for weight reduction. It is an ideal and convenient formula to have in your storage room, which assists with shedding pounds as well as having a reasonable and wholesome eating routine. It is by and large presented with a bubbling full cream milk, yet can likewise be presented with a decision of drink according to your inclination. 1. Peanut butter protein shake. This natively constructed protein shake is nutty, smooth, and tasty. It contains no added sugar and is high in fiber and low in fat. Mix together 1 cup of yogurt, 1/2 cup almond milk, 1 to 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, and 15 to 20 green. 2. Chocolate and banana protein shake. In all honesty, chocolate and bananas make for a superb mix. In addition to the fact that they make your protein shake very solid, they add incredible taste. For this handcrafted protein shake, add 10 almonds, 1/2 cup yogurt, 3/4 cup milk, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 cup cooked quinoa, 1 banana cut into lumps, and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder in a blender and mix away your tasty beverage. Quinoa contains every one of the fundamental amino acids and is an incredible wellspring of plant-based total protein. You can even use amaranth seeds rather than quinoa. 3. Berry protein shake. All berries go about as strong cancer prevention agents, and they are an extraordinary wellspring of fiber that assists you with getting thinner. You can utilize strawberries, Cape gooseberries, RASBHARI, or blackberries, jamin, in your smoothie. To make this sweet energy supporter, utilize 7 to 10 berries, 1/2 cup whipped curds, 1/4 cup water, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, and some honey assuming you like. Additionally read. Why you should use raw honey instead of regular honey. 4. Vegan protein shake. This one's for every one of the individuals who are attempting to stay away from milk and dairy items, however are searching for a high-protein shake for weight reduction. Mix 3/4 cup of luxurious tofu, 1 cup of almond or cashew milk, 1 banana, 1/4 cup cooked oats, 1 teaspoon honey, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla quintessence for some character. Tofu and nut milk give you a protein punch, and oats add the important fiber to your weight reduction drink. 5. Raw egg protein shake. On the off chance that you're truly into muscle working alongside weight reduction, attempt this homemade protein shake with crude eggs. However, ensure you get great quality eggs. Blend 1 crude egg, with yolk, a large portion of an avocado, 1/2 cup milk. You could utilize coconut milk, 1 banana, 1 teaspoon honey, and 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. Place all the 6. Spinach flax protein shake fixings in a blender. Mix well and serve. 6. Spinach flax protein shake. For this green custom-made protein shake proposed by dietitian Harjeet Kaur from Amandeep Hospital, you can join 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, or any sort, spinach leaves, 1/2 cup mango lumps, 1/2 cup pineapple bits, 1/2 a banana, 1 tablespoon flax seeds, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, and mix until smooth. Fill a glass and serve right away. The best ideal opportunity to swallow down this power sponsor is after an exercise, since that is the point at which your body needs moment sustenance for muscle recuperation and development. Be that as it may, you should consume it within 30 to 45 minutes of your exercise. This window is exceptionally vital in light of the fact that protein take-up is quicker following an exercise. You can likewise have it 30 minutes before your exercise to empower yourself and lift your endurance. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.